Hi everyone, my name is Rick with RapidScan 3D and I'm super excited today to introduce the newest scanner to the Artec 3D line of scanners. We're talking 5 micron accuracy, 2 micron repeatability, an excellent scanner for literally scanning objects as small as 10 millimeter all the way up to about 7 inches with metrology grade accuracy. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it now. And here it is, the brand new Artec Micro. I'm going to go ahead and run a little video to give you a good idea of how it works. As you can see, I think it's going to be an amazing scanner. I'm really looking forward to some of the future videos we're going to make showing the abilities of the scanner. If you're interested in learning anything more about the Artec Micro, please reach out to rapidscan3d.com. You can go on our website, check out all our other products, including the other Artec 3D scanners. Talk to you soon. Thanks again.